Hi, this is Dr. Andrews. I wanted to take a tour of D2L with you to help you get started. Welcome. I'm excited about the semester, and we're going to do everything through D2L, and it's going to look about like this every time, and it's going to be about the same process every time. The process is going to look like something like this. When you get to D2L, you're going to see Welcome, Let's Get Started. I'll have this particular link sitting right here at the D2L video. But this will be under your announcements, and it's also under a Start Here tab. And right here it talks about downloading and printing the syllabus and calendar. I show you where to find that, and I'll go ahead and show you that in just a minute. And it's under Content. I've also made a video about the syllabus highlighting what I think are extremely important parts, although you should read and highlight the entire syllabus and calendar. I'm giving you a couple of ideas that I need you to find access to a scanner. Either download Cam Scanner. I use that a lot for my personal information. Cam Scanner is free. It's easy to use on your phone, or maybe you have an actual scanner. But I do not want you taking pictures of items this semester and then uploading the pictures. I need them scanned. Also decide about where you're going to take your test. They're going to be proctored, and if you're going to take them at a Lone Star College system campus, you're good. But if you're going to take anything else, take it anywhere else other than there, you and I are going to have to set that up. You first will have to request an outside proctor form, so you need to email me about that. We're going to go on into week 1 in D2L because that's where you'll see the assignments. But remember, we're on a tour. So let's go up here to where it says Content. When I click on Content, a few things show up. Things along the lines of syllabus and calendar. I would click on the syllabus and calendar and I would print the syllabus. I would start a notebook, and I mentioned that in the syllabus video. I would start a notebook. I would hole punch the information. You can purchase a hole punch fairly inexpensive at some stores in our area. Might be a good investment for this semester. You're going to see the worksheets tab. This is our book. When it says student 1 through 5 final packet, 1 through 5 will be where the worksheets are kept. You'll hear me reference, go print worksheet 1A. And when I tell you to go print worksheet 1A, this is where you're going to find it. It is still loading, but there it is. So when you see worksheet 1A, I want you to go ahead and print it. It's only 1 or 2 pages long because that's our lesson. It's 3 pages. That's our lesson. That's what you'll be watching videos over, and that's what you'll be uploading to me as part of your grade. So I'm going back to content. You see the worksheets where we just were, and I have posted up through lessons 9. I'll get the others up later. And then this is going to be some information on proctoring, and then below, down here at the bottom, is a help button if you're having trouble with some of the D2L, and I'll go ahead and click on it. If you're having trouble, here is a place to go to get some help or some ideas of help. Grades, that's where I'll post your grades, including I'll be grading how much you log in, whether you turn in the worksheets, and when you turn in the worksheets on time is the choice. And the other things that I'll be asking for, including classroom discussion, which will happen virtually. Under collaboration, you see a lot of options here, and I'm going to go ahead and take a second to say, if you're in this class, the 0232, then you are also in a 1332 class. And in your 1332 class, you can use D2L to find people who are in both classes. I highly encourage you to start trying to set up some study groups that might be before class or after class. You can meet at a local coffee shop, but getting together with people face to face when it's productive can have much value. I'm going to go back to course activities and the assignment button. The assignment button is where I will be looking for your assignments. The first thing I'll be looking for is a syllabus agreement. I'll show you where that is, that you'll need to print that and then upload that here. The agreement is very important because you are in 2 math classes. And it's very important that you know if you drop one, you automatically get dropped from both. And so I need you to sign a piece of paper that says, I know that. I understand that if I drop this class, I get dropped from 1332. You'll also be signing one in 1332 that says if you drop that one, you get dropped from the 0232. Right here where it says week one worksheets, this is where you'll complete the week's worth of worksheets and upload all of them here as scans. I'm going to go back to content, and under content, I'm not seeing week one. I haven't published that yet, so I'll have to go back in there and publish it so you can see it. And week one is going to show up right over here. And week one is what you're going to click. So I'm going to go publish that. I'm going to pause the video and come right back. Okay, I'm back. We are under content, and underneath content, you see several items on the left sidebar. Table of contents, syllabus worksheet, proctoring. Week one, that is now there. And I just wanted to walk you through a few things on week one. All of these assignments will be due this Friday at almost midnight. I'm trying to do a line by line so that you know exactly what to go print. I showed you where these worksheets are. Go print those 3. Then listen to the video where I walk through this worksheet while you're working on the hard copy, and then scan and upload this into course activities. Course activities is at the top of the page, and there will be a file to receive this worksheet, this completed worksheet. You'll repeat the process for 1C and 1D, and then there are 2 more items that I need from you this week. A student information sheet, which you can see in week 1, and here it is right down here. You'll print it, fill it out, and I do not want you to put it in D2L. I want you to email that to me. My email address is in the syllabus, and the syllabus is right over here. Also, here is the agreement. This is the last thing. Print the syllabus agreement and complete it. Complete the form, scan it, and upload it into D2L. This is the item that says, I understand if I drop one class, I am dropped from both. I just wanted you to see a quick overview of where some information is in D2L. Again, I'm very excited. I'm ready to get this semester started. So welcome to 0232.